Hello, I'm Archie Luxury and welcome to the program. And today I'd like to show you a magnificent Jaeger-LeCoultre pocket watch. And this is a Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso pocket watch. And it just shows you a wonderful theme that Reverso started. And I just love this little pocket watch. And it's exactly like a Reverso watch, except it doesn't have a area for the strap to be attached because it's a pocket watch. And I just think it's a wonderful item. And apparently this item has appeared in the early Reverso brochures. So it's something fascinating. It's an oddity. And on the Archie Luxury channel, I like to bring some unusual things to all the viewers there. Please tell me what you think of this Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso pocket watch. See you later.